Alright now, good people of YouTube, how's it going there, and welcome back. This video here is a continuation of the last video you saw, in which I bucked up a bunch of cherry and locust wood out of that pile behind me. So I'm just getting everything together here and getting all the gas out of my truck. I came heavily armed today with plenty of gas and extra chains and 2 chainsaws and everything I would need to get the job done. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to split with the log splitter attached to my truck, and it's a pretty nice deal. And again, stay tuned for the next video, and you'll see I ended up unhitching the log splitter and turning it the other way, and it's even nicer. But let's get going on processing all this wood up today and try to make a video out of this thing. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy watching. All right now, everybody, thanks for stopping by and joining me today. If you don't mind, give me a like and a subscribe. This is some nice wood, and I got a lot of work to do, so I'm going to go ahead and finish splitting all this stuff up and load the truck up, and probably get to bucking some more of this stuff up here. There's quite a bit of wood, and I wouldn't mind having it, so I'm gonna sign off for now. You've seen the splitting. Most of this is just a bunch of straight grain cherry. It's some nice wood. It smells really good, and it seems like it's pretty dry inside. Now I don't know if this tree was dead or what, but it's a lot drier than some of the other trees I've seen this time of year. There's no sap under the bark, nothing. It's just kind of dry feeling inside, so that's good. It'll dry fast. I'm trying to split it small because it is June and it'll have 6 months to dry or so, but that should be good enough. So I'm going to sign off, and I'll be back with you here when something else eventful happens. All right, good people of YouTube, I've bucked up and split up a pretty nice load here. Now the tree service guys came by and said they wanted to keep this cherry, so I can't have any more of the cherry. I just took one little stick here, a little bit off of that one, and not a big deal. He said I'm welcome to have any of the maple and locust, and there's also walnut down there. He didn't mention the walnut, so there's all this walnut, there's maple. There's still a lot of good wood. Now I'm gonna go ahead and buck up some of this maple and stuff next time I'm here. That maple's good wood. It'll be dry, so you know, there's a nice little stick of it here, and so that's a locust log there. That would make a pretty good saw log going through there, down through there. That one too. There's some pretty good sized pieces of locust down in there, and there's some ash in here too. That's what that other log was some ash. So anyways, I'm gonna sign off. I got a nice load. I don't know if I showed you the load I got here, but I got a load of some locust and cherry, and I'm pretty full, so I'm gonna call that a day here and get that back to the house and get it drying out here.